Together we stand. Every individual in this world is unique. People may have similarities, but everyone has a unique identity. Assumptions about an individual can lead to unfair judgments or stereotypes. An assumption about a particular person or thing is called a stereotype. The societal expectations about how girls and boys should behave is called gender stereotyping. It is important to understand that choices, habits, and skills are not determined by our gender. What a person likes and chooses to be depends on individual preference, irrespective of his or her gender. We should learn to accept people the way they are. Being tolerant means to accept the differences that exist among people. Remember that while we should respect every individual, people who are mean or disrespectful towards others should not be tolerated. Breaking the stereotypes at work and play. Participation of girls and boys have increased in the activities that were earlier considered more appropriate for the opposite gender. We can see how girls and boys, the opposite gender, are participate in various types of activities. This has challenged the gender stereotyping that happens in various professions. Sports was stereotyped as a field where mostly men excelled. The increasing participation of girls in sports have broken that assumption. More and more girls are opting for sports as a career. Earlier, art was stereotyped to be an area where mostly girls could excel. The increasing participation of boys as creative artists has broken that stereotype. The picture shows boys can be good artists. More and more boys are aspiring to become chefs, fashion designers, painters, and etc. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Fun and Learn by Sharvi.